Hi everyone and welcome. I am here to teach you right now about Twitch. I know a lot of you are a little confused on how to use Twitch and what you need to do to get Twitch. So Twitch is a mobile as well as a browser-based website. You can use an app or you can also use a browser for this. So for those of you that have a computer, you can use your Twitch as a browser, or you can see Twitch using a browser on your computer. And on mobile, you'll be able to see it through the Twitch app. Now, if you click on sign up, the first thing that you're going to do is click on sign up. And on sign up, you'll actually have a lot to choose from. So all you have to do is get a username. I'll just put this as SOS Lady Rian, right? And for password, I will put in SOS Lady. Wait, why am I telling you guys the password? Eh? Okay, they wouldn't allow that, so I guess I'll just have to choose another one. There you go. On the next step, you can use your phone number or you can use an email instead for verification. And you can just put any kind of email that you want. I'll do my throwaway email. There you go. And then you just have to set up your months. This is to make sure that you are above 12 years old. And just sign up. After that, your verification email will be there. And once your verification is confirmed, that is it. It's basically how you use Twitch. They're gonna ask you what games do you like to play or whatnot. All you have to do is just click on one specific one, or you can search for State of Survival, for example. You can search for State of Survival for their game, and there's here, done. And it will put you on the website. Now you can search for all of your favorite YouTube or Twitch streamer in game, or your streamers in game. And for example, Lady Rian, that is me. You'll be able to click on follow, or you can just click on their website or their link, and you'll be able to. Oh my. That's my intro. You'll be able to watch my intro video, and you can click on follow right there, and make sure to turn your notifications on. Now, for example, you'll also be able to see some of the featured streamers that Rian or I am particularly interested in, or I suggest that you check out. Also, you can, one way to support a streamer is through the subscribe button. If you click on the subscribe button, you'll be able to see the different perks and emotes or stickers in the stream that you can have, you'll also get ad-free viewing and subscriber streams. So there are different tiers for this. A subscription is only 100 pesos, or in the Philippines, it is about or in the US, it's about $2, more or less. Now, you can also sign up for Amazon Prime. If you have an Amazon Prime, then you can also have a Twitch Prime. And if you connect your Amazon with your Twitch account, you'll be able to get one free subscription for every Prime account that you have. Another way to support the streamer is through this button right here, which is gift a sub. Now, gift a sub is basically sharing the subscription to all of the viewers and all of the followers of a particular stream. It goes from just buying one to buying five. It's the same price. You can just gift it out to all of the viewers as well as the followers of that particular streamer. You can also customize your quantity. Maximum is 100. And you can have different effects and themes to the gift. You can also have a specific recipient for a streamer. You can select different months, from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, etc. And also you can give them the different tiers. So if you are looking to support a streamer, that is one way. Now let's head on over to the chat. If you're watching a stream in particular and they have here at the side the chat box, you'll see right on here. If you click on the diamond, it'll show you the bits. Bits is similar to gold system in game. And you can even have different emotes for specific streams or what you want to give. 1 bit is equivalent to 1 cent. So $1 would be 100 bits. And this is the equivalent for in the Philippines. And 500 bits is about 411 pesos, which is roughly around 9 to $10. And if you see here, you have a first purchase bonus, which you can get 300 bits or $3 or you can give your streamer $3 for 176 pesos, which is also around that range. Now, this is one way to support the streamer. Streamers have different kinds of ways that you can support them aside from subscription and the bits. You can also support them through the tips that you send over to the streamer. You can have a private, for example, on Rian's stream, you can have a private way, which is a direct PayPal link, and or you can head on over to this one, which is a Stream Elements tip page where you can choose how much you will give to Rian, or you can even specify for yourself a specific amount that you want to give. You can even add clips to the donation if you want to send Rian a funny video or surprise Rian with a video on her donations. You can also do that. You can also send it through the PayPal and whatnot. Another way of supporting the streamer is through their shop, which is here And as you guys can see, I have a bunch of merch that you can check out. Do you want to have a coffee of me peeking on a coffee cup? Or maybe you want to have your very own Reese Tribe beanie, as well as a custom made mug designed by Rian. This is a monster, a zombie cat that Rian has made by herself on stream. And if you can see here, if you have your or if you are a sub on the stream, you do get discounts on the purchases that you make here. So if I were you, support your streamers, support Rian, and be part of this wonderful community that she is trying to build over here on Twitch. And that is it for everyone. Thank you guys so much for listening and for watching this mini tutorial that I made for you guys. Thanks. Bye.